Let's volunteers! 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 Let's volunteers!
मणिपुर जब जब नाम आता है आंखों के सामने वो वीडियो क्लिप चली आती है जो पिछले साल 4 मई के नजर आई थी। पूरी दुनिया ने देखा था और इंसानियत थर्रा गई थी। उसके बाद मैतेई और कुकीज को, जो वहां के आदिवासी हैं, उनके बीच चल रहे वर्ग संघर्ष को लेकर तमाम तरह के प्रदर्शन दिल्ली के जंतर मंतर पर होते रहे और एक आवाज अक्सर इन आंदोलनों में सुनाई पड़ती है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज द ओनली सॉल्यूशन, यानी पृथक प्रशासन कर दिया जाए, मैतेई को अलग और कुकीज को अलग। लेकिन पृथक होना किसी भी समस्या का कभी समाधान नहीं रहा। फिलहाल आज एक बार फिर जंतर मंतर पर हजारों की तादाद में वहां के जो ट्राइबल्स हैं, कुकीज हैं, उनके समर्थन में युवा और युवतियां मणिपुर की इकट्ठा हुई। देख रहे हैं, हालांकि ये अंग्रेजी में बोल रहे हैं लेकिन चेहरे बड़े जाने पहचाने हैं। लेकिन मैं बहुत बार इनको यहाँ पर देख चुका हूँ। हजारों की तादाद है इनकी। मांग एक ही है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, पृथक प्रशासन। शायद मणिपुर का ये मसला इसके अलावा और हल होने का, समाधान का कोई और। एक छोटी सी बच्ची भी यहाँ आई हुई है। बारिश हो रही है लेकिन बारिश के बावजूद ये जन समुदाय, ये भीड़, युवकों का ये जोश और जज्बा, यहाँ से लोग हटने का नाम नहीं ले रहे। एक मिनट पीछे स्लोगन लगवा दीजिए। स्लोगन
We want SA with unity, all right? Next time. We want SA with unity. We want SA with unity. We want SA with unity.
We want separate administration. We met in the last program. What is your name, sir?
Okay, thank you. My name is Mr. Paul Jakub Bolte, and I'm the president of Kuki Student Organization, the NCR, and I'm the organizing president of this.
Raising the slogan about separate administration.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand that separate administration is only solution?
Actually, separation. Separation is when actually we demand. What we demand is the government's recognition because separation has already been since time immemorial. Even during British time, there was total separation between the valleys and the hills, and even after independence, government of India has divided the state of Manipur into two parliamentary constituencies, one outer parliamentary constituency, the other inner. Inner is for Meiteis, outer is for tribals. And now what we demand is recognition of that separation, for which the Union Ministry has also created buffer zones. That buffer zone indicates the separation of two entities, Meiteis and Kugis. So that buffer zones have to stay intact. No other forces are allowed to man these buffer zones except Assam Rifles.
You are coming here for a last time, for a long time.
Yeah.
Before 6 months also I visited here and found you raising the same demand and same slogans. Why government is not taking any decision about your demand? What do you think? Why? What may be the reason?
Very, very unfortunate. This is very unfortunate. It is due to the lack of attention from on the part of the center. The Prime Modi should have visited the state, the conflict zone, long before. But in this even 15th month of the conflict, the Prime Minister has not visited even once. So this is very unfortunate. It shows that the center has no interest in the politics of the Manipur. But what I would like to request is if you want to implement what the so-called famously what you call Act East policy, it is the Kuki people who inhabit that areas. If you want your policy to be successful, you have to turn your ear and eyes towards the Kuki people and solve this problem as soon as possible.
What would you like to tell about the classes between Kukis and Meitei?
Yeah, actually, this is not a clash between Meitei and Kuki. It's a clash between the state government and the Kuki people, because the state chief minister himself said, "I am the one who started this conflict." Because 2 days ago there was a revelation, a viral voice over of the chief minister saying, "I am the only chief minister ever in over 30 years of statehood that led this type of conflict against the Kugis. If I were not the chief minister of the state, the Meitei identity would have been washed away. So I am the chief minister who started this conflict. So I gave bombs to Arambai Tengos and other militant cohorts like UNLF, Kripa, Kewagale, many others in number."
Sir, last question, because you are very busy today, I am saying that if government is not going to accept your demand, what will be the future of that state?
As I told you, if the center is not giving any serious attention to this conflict and demand of the Kuki people, no policy of the center, like I said, Act East policy won't be successful, and the conflict will be continue in the days to come. So everyone, we don't want conflict. We want to be peaceful. For that peaceful, you have to come out with a solution that is separation, and that is unity with legislature, not less than that.
मैं अपने मित्रों को बता दूं, इनका कहना सीधा है कि अब पृथक प्रशासन यानी सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ही आखिरी उम्मीद है, और इसके लिए सालों साल से आवाजें उठती रही, वहां के लोग आते रहे मणिपुर से, क्लासेज आज भी जारी है, गतिरोध बना हुआ है, सरकार बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं दे रही है। और अगर ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो आखिर क्या यही कहा जाएगा कि एक राज्य की भारी उपेक्षा हो रही है। हजारों दलों के लिए आवाज। थोड़ा सा पूछिए।
We want